Hi there! Today I will show you how to set up your new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to turn on your phone by holding this power button, which is located on the right edge of your phone. Now, after we are on this screen, we need to click on this blue button right here and choose the language that we want our phone to be in. I have chosen English and I click Next. Right here we need to agree to the end user license agreement and if we want to send diagnostic data to the Samsung to make their services better, but the second one is optional. We click Next. Right here the phone suggests us if we would like to do easy setup with another device, but we will continue to set it up manually by clicking this button. Right here we would need to choose a Wi-Fi network that we want to connect to or skip it and do it later by clicking the skip button 2 times. Here you can see that you can set up the date and time and adjust if needed, but we can also do it later by clicking Next. Here you would need to choose which of the Google services you would like to use and also if you would like to send usage and diagnostic data to the Google. This one is also optional. We click More, and Accept. Also, our phone now suggests us if we would like to protect our phone by setting up any type of password like face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password and pattern. Let's set up PIN code and set up easy PIN code 1234 and click Continue. Now we would need to read the Samsung service permissions. If you want them used or not, that's on you. I click Agree. And you can also choose a theme for your phone if you want it to be light or dark. I will choose dark and click Next. And now we need to wait a few seconds. The next thing that we can see right here is this message which says taking care of your phone, because this is not a default phone. This is a Galaxy Flip which can flip just like this. So, to take good care of your phone, it's better if you will read all of this and click Next. And now our phone is fully set up and we can start using it. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.